looks like our pack printed successfully. Very nice. So I'll turn the turnbuckle down, I'll slide the pack out. Okay. I'll slide a new clean pack in. Okay. Give it a good push and locked it in. It's cooling down. Okay. And we'll get under there. Click, click. That comes off. Bottom layer of support comes off. Okay, there's some crap on the outside. There's some stringiness here. We're going to do rinse and repeat. So, fire up the tank, start the countdown, 24 hours. The visor's in, and fire in the hole. Very nice. Okay. We can shut it off. We'll open this up. And here are all of our shields. Bring them over to the sink. And we'll put this back in. And then what's it look like? Yeah, these are great. These are all soaked apart. Very nice. So to get that alkali off of them, I'm going to fill the bucket up here and let them soak. Stick one over here as our test subject. So for making the face shields, what you're going to do is you're going to get a piece of transparency sheet. And this is just 8.5 by 11 transparency. And on the 3-hole punch, the big monster one that we use, I got a couple things set up. So the first thing you want to look at is the left-hand side, okay? This mark here and this mark here should be lined up with each other, okay? And then at the other end, I've got another mark on the tape. So what we're going to do is we're going to make sure that this thing doesn't move in and out, because if it does, it'll throw things off. What you want to do is push the transparency sheet all the way in, slide it all the way down until it is touching the little silver registration pin, and then you're going to push down. Okay, and that produces 3 holes. And then to do the second set of holes, push the transparency sheet back in all the way, and then slide it down to the small mark on the tape. Now, if the tape falls off for some ungodly reason, I also have a little tiny mark up here on the machine itself with pencil lead. Okay, so slide it down, slide it down, slide it down, get it where it has to go. Make sure it's pushed in all the way. It looks good. And press down. And what that gives you is it gives you a double hole punch in 3 places. And the double hole punch is what gets wrapped around the visor to create the face shield. Okay, so here's that brand new face shield, and I took the plastic. You notice the first one has a little notch on it, so you have to get it in the notch first and then pull kind of tight to get to the second one, and to get it to the third, fourth, fifth, and the sixth. But that guy is set up. Now, we really probably don't want to assemble these things. What we can do is we can print and start collecting the frames, the visors. We can hole punch the plastic and just leave it in the package, hole punched, so that somebody else can come along when they need one and put a visor and a plastic shield together.